Experiencing a headache with Windows 11 File Explorer? Opening issues and frustrating hangs? Stick around. Today, we're diving into a quick fix guide to get your File Explorer back on track. Let's troubleshoot together. First things first, right-click on your Windows Start button. Easy, right? Now click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, navigate to Apps and then click on Installed Apps. From there, go ahead and click on Default Apps. Now to kick off the first solution, simply click on Reset and then confirm by clicking OK. That's it for the first fix. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Head over to File Explorer. Click on those three dots and then select Options. Uncheck the options you don't need. Click Apply. And then hit OK. Easy peasy, right? Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Now, for another File Explorer fix, click on those three dots again. Choose Options. This time go to the Home tab. Select this PC, and then click Apply and OK. Moving on to the third solution. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Hold down the Windows key and press R. Type msconfig and click OK. Within the System Configuration window, navigate to the Startup tab. Open the Task Manager. Right-click on unwanted apps and disable them. Click Disable, then head to the Services tab. Here, checkmark Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all, hit Apply, and then OK. Finally, restart your system. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.